Team R4UL, we are back again. Let's go, guys. It's your boy Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again. And what I'm doing, no, Pi's back. Back from the ashes. Is that what it is, myself? Right, so, yeah, what we've got here is a Ford Focus on a 2010 Ford Focus, that is. And what we're going to do is we're going to change the bonnet lock, okay? The bonnet lock mechanism, we're going to go ahead and change that. Common fault on these, they mess up, okay? You stop dancing. Right, before you fall over, right? So the bonnet lock mechanism, it's already been broken off. We had to break it off, okay, to get the bonnet open. So it's open now. I'm going to show you guys how to replace it. Let's go. Right, okay, the first thing, obviously the bonnet's open, right? In order for me to get the bonnet open, I had to break the lock and get a flat screwdriver in there into the mechanism and twist it. First things first, you have to open the bonnet, okay? So once you've opened the bonnet, right, we're going to go ahead and take this panel off. So it's just held on with these plastic screws. One here, one here, one here. Let's take them off. Okay, guys, after that, you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but you can take the front grille off. Easy to take the front grille off if you want to, but you don't have to, okay? Basically, if you want to take it off, make your life a little bit easier, take these little plastic screws off, and the front grille should come off, but you don't need to, because if you go around this way, you can gain access to the locking mechanism there, right? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take the actual mechanism off, okay? With the cable is there, but we're going to take the actual mechanism off. In order to do that, there's 10mm there and a 10mm there. Let's go ahead, let's take that off. Right, guys, so as you can see there, the mechanism, locking mechanism is totally off. Leave that to a side there. So we're going to go in here this way, right? So this thing is supposed to have two little hooks holding it, but obviously it's broken off and everything. That it will just pull off. There we go. That's the cable off. Let's get the new one on. Okay, so this is the one the customer has bought. It's slightly modified. I think it might be a little bit better because the other one was a cable. This is like a solid plastic, so it might be a little bit better. I don't know. We're going to try it, see what happens. So anyway, we're going to fit this side on first. Okay, marry it up to that way, and then hopefully fit that other side on. Right, let's do it. Right, okay, so we're going to go from the back of this hole here inwards like that. Okay, just guide it through. Okay, I'm going to get it into the cutout there, into the hole basically, through there. Let's do that, let's line it up and I'll get back at you guys. Right, okay, sit rep, I've got this on there. Obviously, as you can see, the two little cutouts. When you push it in through there, it clicks on there, so you can't go backwards. As for this one here, it's not going over this the little clip there, so I'm going to give it a little push, see if I can just get it over, and yeah, go from there. Right, give me 1 minute. Okay, guys, sit rep, as you can see there, I managed to get it on. You just have to be a bit brutal with it and give it some, and it does click over, but really tight. But anyway, yeah, so what we're going to do is now, as you can see here, that has got like a cross cut out on it, which needs to line up with this little cross here. So just marry that up, line it up, put some grease in there. I'm going to do that, put some grease in there, and yeah, and we'll put them 2 bolts on and we should be good to go. Let's do it. Right, okay, so as you can see, everything is on. Right, one little top tip is make sure you try it here before you close the bonnet. If you close the bonnet and then you want to try it and it doesn't open up, then you're in deep trouble. You have to break it again. So I'm going to lock it up here. There you go. That's locked. Took me 3 attempts to lock it. Keeps on slipping off. And then with the new key, let's try it. So anti-clockwise and clockwise. Happy days. Seems absolutely fantastic. Right, let's get the top cover back on. Let's go. Right, okay guys, I've closed the bonnet, so let's see what happens. Obviously I tried it without it before, so if it doesn't open now, then run. Ah, it works. It works. Obviously I need 2 hands. 1 hand to lift the bonnet up and 1 hand to obviously turn the key. It should work. Happy days. Let's go. Well, there we have it guys, all done and dusted. The Ford Focus bonnet release cable replacement. Well, it's not a cable. The new one he's got, I think it's a better design. The original one is a cable, but this one is not a cable. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.